This is Samsung Galaxy M20. This is Samsung's most polarizing phone in the budget market. So I decided to do a hands-on with this device. M20 is the Samsung's first phone with notch and they have called it Infinity V display. This is a retail box unit and it contains the phone, a turbocharger and SIM ejector tool, and there are no headphones provided in the box. Samsung has launched this phone in two colors, blue and black, and I decided to go with the black variant because blue is becoming most common color for every budget offering phone in the market. This phone has a glossy back, but thankfully it's not glass, so it's more reliable, and back of the phone looks more of dark grey when light falls on it. It has 6.3-inch TFT display, but it's bright enough and colors are vivid. On the back, it has two cameras, out of which one is normal and other is wide angle camera. Fingerprint sensor is also located on the back. On the left there is SIM card tray and on the right there is volume key and power on off key. On the bottom there is a headphone jack, USB Type-C port, microphone and a speaker grill. On the top there is secondary microphone. Quickly setting up face unlock feature on the phone. So if you are someone wearing glasses like me, it gets 70% of information with glasses and remaining 30% gets completed without glasses. It unlocks the phone quickly with face unlock. Fingerprint lock can also be set up by just swiping your finger thrice on the rear mounted sensor. The device has a nice animation around the front facing camera when it tries to detect the face. Camera app on the device has Samsung interface and portrait mode is renamed as Live Focus. It has couple of other modes as well, which we will test in our camera review. Phone is running on Android Oreo and so far it's running smooth and there is no stutter I have noticed. Now let's check out some camera samples. And yes, stay tuned for full review of the device. Thanks for watching.